Hey, what's up everybody? Dennis here, EDC for Fun. Thanks for checking out the video. Right now we're looking at my Spyderco smock as it sits atop a package that came to us from Adam over at the Alfa Romeo 15 YouTube channel. Adam's become a good friend. We've been talking a bunch, and one of the things he mentioned was that he wanted to show his appreciation for the EDC community by sending this package over for us to check out. So this is a gift from him. I'm very appreciative of that, and the fact that he wanted to share this not only with me but with you all, so we can hopefully get some content and some good information out of whatever's in this box. So Smock is going to do the honors. We'll go ahead and cut into it. Now I'm not sure what's in here. I kind of have an idea, but I may have to come off camera for a second just in case. I did open it upside down because the label and everything, just wanted to hide personal information and so on. So right off the bat, there's a ton of stuff in here, and I see some Olight stuff, O-Knife stuff. Hey Dennis, I threw in a couple extras. I hope you don't mind. Of course not. I appreciate your channel. Keep up the good work. Be blessed, Adam. And he's got John 14:6 and John 1:7 on there. So, man, this is awesome, brother. Thank you so much. And, ooh, oh, Hanks. Very cool. And we've got the Olight. Oh, this is the titanium one. Little keychain light. Very cool. Oh, sick. O-Knife Parrot. Little front flipper, micarta. Whoa, check this guy out. I don't think I've seen this one before. This one's open. We might actually open this right now. These other ones, I don't know if you probably noticed, but they're still in the plastic, so we'll open those up later and see what they're about. Oh, sick, the charging station. Very cool. The Amino. Got a bunch of magnetic charging ports for all your Olights. Of course, I got a bunch of them. So let's come real quick. Let's come back to this guy. This looks very interesting. The Borzage, is that a J? I don't know what that is. I'm probably butchering that. So we're looking at D2 steel, G10 scales, 2.58 ounces. So it's definitely on the lighter side. Front flipper, looks like a little fuller or something in there. But this guy is open. So let's go ahead and peek in here and get our first look at this. Per usual, you got the O-Knife pouch and some literature in there. It's typical stuff. This is sleek. Oh, that flips out really nice. Liner lock. Nice action. Got the knuck roll on there. Let's get a look at this blade. Come on, focus. Beautiful stonewash. Still pretty dang sharp. Pokey. Got some nice jimping up there. And it's actually, I don't know, I guess that's steel. Frame lock. This thing's really cool. Got a blue anodized pivot on there. Look at that fluting. The milling on the scales. Got a blue anodized lanyard hole there. Backspacer / lanyard. Very nice on the pocket clip. It's inset and the screws are recessed. Gotta love that. This thing's pretty sick. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Very nice. Adam, man, I can't say thank you enough. This is super cool. I've got a ton of stuff to go through here, and I'm really excited to do that and share that with everybody on this channel. And man, look at that thing. That is slick looking. I like it. So I'll have some fun with this, and we'll all have some fun together as we go through this stuff. Look at it a little more in depth. Of course, make some super fun shorts and other videos. So expect to see that soon. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Leave me a like and a comment. Share the video. I really appreciate you guys for checking it out, spending some time with me. I really appreciate Adam for sending this stuff over. So thank you guys. I love you. I hope you have a fantastic day. God bless you. See you.